Good morning. How are you this morning? It is Friday. Not that Fridays mean anything to me. Owning a restaurant, I don't even care about Mondays, to be quite honest. Every day is a Monday. Wow. Thank you for turning. Yeah, so anyways, this morning didn't start with great news, but that's okay. We will move on. I am down 0.2. Not that I really count that. It's fluctuation. It is. But at least it's fluctuation in the right direction. So yeah. Anyways, I am headed into work. I have more veggies to cut, which is fabulous. I love cutting veggies. So anyways, I am at the restaurant. I'm a couple minutes early, so I have a couple more minutes. But I'm drinking Swiss cacao ketones this morning in my iced coffee, cold brew, whatever you want to call it. And I added a little bit of salt this morning to bring out the chocolate flavor, like I do with the Vanilla Sky, to bring out the sweet flavor. And yeah, it's good. It's really good. So anyways, today is Friday. Yeah. So I think I want, like, we were gonna do, I thought about doing burgers yesterday, but then I ended up doing cauliflower mac and cheese. It was good. I want to tweak the recipe a little bit before I post it for you guys, because I didn't find it as creamy as I would have hoped it would have been. And I don't know if that's because I used almond flour instead of like real flour, because that recipe that I got from my friend wasn't keto, so I had to make it keto, right? So I'm thinking of tweaking it a little bit. It was good the way it was. It just wasn't creamy enough for me. So I want to make it a little bit more creamier. And then once I tweak the recipe, once I tweak the recipe, I will probably film how I did the recipe, like I did with my tomato marinara and the pork patties and stuff, and make it a recipe video rather than just posting the recipe as is. So yeah, so I think I'm going to do that. I'll probably do that in like the next month or so. I'm working on a few things on my YouTube channel that I hope you'll enjoy. And so yeah, so I will see you when I eat lunch. I don't know what lunch is going to be. I don't know what time lunch is going to be, but I'll see you when I see you. Hey guys, so I've created a little keto snack for me because I have to go back into the restaurant for a little while so that Chris can go play beach volleyball. So I'm going to put in, I probably won't eat all of this, but I thought I would just put in a few things just in case. I'm still hungry after a few things, because I really don't, unless I like make myself a stir fry or something with no sauce or anything, I really don't have much at the restaurant right now that I can eat. I can do butter chicken with just broccoli instead of rice, but I don't want anything that heavy today, especially after my run. I kind of just want to have just like kind of light stuff. So I'm including these lemon cookies. If I have them, I'll probably just have one. Some pecans. There's about a half a cup here. That's the portion size, but I may not eat them all. I'll just kind of snack on them. There's probably about 20 or so crisps in here maybe, and a thing of holy guacamole at the bottom here. Again, probably won't eat it all. Cheese. These are just like little cheese slices, so I'll probably just kind of snack on them until I'm full. And then I'm also going to include this MCT bar. It has 10 grams of protein in it and So I think that will help with my protein for the day. And it's also a good idea to try this bar. This, again, if you watched my keto box unveiling or unwrapping or opening or whatever you want to call it, we got one of these in the keto box this month, and I've been wanting to try them because this company has approached me to see if I want to do some social media marketing with them. So I want to try this bar and see how it is, and I haven't yet, so I thought maybe today I might give it a try, and I can let you know how I like it afterwards, like maybe just before I make dinner or something. But yeah, so I thought I would throw that in here as well. If I get to eat it, great. If I don't, I might save it for another day, but it's just like another snack that I can just kind of have between customers or between reports, because I'm taking my laptop with me and I'm going to sit and do reports unless they need my help. So I'm kind of just an extra body there tonight, just so that if they're busy, I can come and help. We have a whole group of people in the city, and so we've been a little bit busy over the last couple of days. It is the dragon boat races this weekend, and so we've had quite a few of the dragon boat racers come into the restaurant because they're staying at the hotels just down from us. So we've been a little bit busier. So I want to be able to be available at the restaurant without like having to race to the restaurant if they get a handful of people and they can't handle it. So because it is just our new guy and then a couple of our regular staff. So with the new guy there, sometimes they're a little bit slower, so I just want to make sure that I'm available. So anyways, I'm going to take this with me tonight because I am leaving here in probably about an hour, which is right around my lunchtime, so I will be hungry for stuff. Right now, I'm not too overly hungry. I had a glass of water, and that helped, so this should be good for tonight. Like I said, I can sit and do paperwork and snack while I'm doing paperwork, and then if they need me, I'm there and I don't have to rush around. So anyways, I will see you when we have dinner. I don't think we've decided what's for dinner. I do have leftovers of that cauliflower mac and cheese, but I don't know if we have that. I may add like a chicken breast or something tonight, just to add a little bit more protein since I did go for a run this afternoon. So I will insert my run here, and you can see where I went. And Strava told me that I didn't do any calories, so I looked at one of my other apps that tracks my progress as well, and it says that I burned like over 200 calories. Not that calories burned when I exercise I count. I just sometimes want to know like how many calories I'm burning as I'm exercising, but I don't use that for extra food. I use that as a bonus for my body. So anyways, I will see you when I eat supper. Hey guys, so we're at Boston Pizza. We had a pretty late night, and so we thought we would just stop here instead of cooking dinner at home. I don't know if I can switch my camera mid-stream, but Chris is having, what are you having? I don't know. Oh, the carnivore pasta. Here, I'll switch things around so I can show you what he's having and what I'm having. So here's mine. I'm having the gluten-wise oven roasted wings with salt and pepper rub and a few sticks of celery, and then Chris is eating my carrots, and he's having the carnivore pasta dish. So yeah, so that's it for me. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video today. I shortened it up a little bit. Just my drive into work was a little bit long, and I shortened it up. And yeah, so I'm going to enjoy this, and I will talk to you guys later. Have a great night, and thanks for watching.